Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about an excellent book. It's a really good read, of which I've made this drink from. It's called Are We Having Fun Yet? The Cooking and Partying Handbook by Sammy Hagar. In this book, Sammy shows his love of food, drinks, and rock and roll. It's a really great read, and I want to tell you about it. So stick with me. Hey, Ray, back again. You know what? It was getting a little bit dark outside, and I don't want to run into the same problem I ran into last time. My face is all dark, and it's kind of dark behind me, so I came inside. And also, I don't have 3 or 4 different cameras where I can show you different angles and cutting back and forth between different cameras. But what I can do, I figured, is I'm going to show you different parts of the pub. I'm just going to stop the camera and I'll show you different parts of the pub because I really want to tell you about this Sammy Hagar book. Hopefully the camera won't jump too much because I'm going to walk with the camera and show you a little more of the pub. Okay? Okay, there's our pool table. There's our pub table. Let's get ourselves a nice comfortable seat. There's the bar. I don't want to show you behind the bar because it's probably pretty messy. But, that looks like a good seat right there. Let's take that seat right there. Okay. Are We There shares Sammy's love and passion for cooking and shows how he hooked up with a lot of famous chefs along the way. Emerald, Guy Fieri, they're a lot of really good friends of his. This book is chock full of storytelling, recipes, and he shares his love for cooking, rock and roll, and good drinks. Now everybody knows Sammy Hagar as the Red Rocker. He was the lead singer for the 70s band Montrose, as well as inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2007 with Van Halen. Everybody's heard of Van Halen's song or two with Sammy singing. Now, Sammy is one of the first celebrities to start a tequila business. He started his Cabo Wabo back in his Cabo Wabo cantinas in '96. It was pretty much like a house tequila. And it got more and more popular. And they started producing it, and then it was grossing almost as much as just the only one above that was Patron. I mean, the only premium tequila. But Cabo Wabo, he finally sold it off to Grupo Campari. He sold 80% of it, his company, for $80 million. Million. And then years later, he sold the other 20% for another boatload of money. He's a very shrewd businessman. Now, he got into rum after that. This is his Sammy's Beach Bar White Rum. And this is Sammy's Beach Bar Redhead Macadamia Nut. This stuff is excellent. I'm really getting fond of that stuff. So it's a hardcover book from HarperCollins. I want to say that I paid around $25 for it, although it says MSRP $29. I mean, if that's too much for you, can get a digital copy for like $8 or something, you know. But when you consider it's got all the food recipes in here, it's got tequila, cocktails, rum cocktails, a few vodka cocktails, and pairings too. It's really a great book. It's a really great read. You know, it's one that's hard to put down. So I think if you pick up this book, you'll be quite satisfied. Whether it be a Sammy Hagar fan of his music, a foodie, I mean, somebody who likes recipes, somebody who likes food recipes, somebody who likes cocktail recipes, somebody who likes both, the pairings. I think there's something for everybody. I think you ought to check it out. So what I want you to do is I want you to, if you check this book out, get back to me or send me back a comment. I mean, of course, I would like you to subscribe to me, share this with somebody, like this, and subscribe and hit the bell next to it, because that way you're privy to all the videos I've done. But I really want you to send me back a comment. I mean, do you like Sammy Hagar? Do you like Cabo Wabo? Do you like Sammy's Beach Bar Rum? I mean, let me know. Do you want me to look into his mezcal, which he's into now? He's into mezcal. So if you want me to, I'll obtain a bottle and I'll do a review on it if you so desire. But like I tell you, at the end of the day, my friends, just remember, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch you next time.